The pace of change in the aviation industry since the first flight in 1903 has been staggering. And the progress of one WA company, with headquarters behind me, in the design of unmanned aircraft is gaining international attention. From power line inspections to bush firefighting and above-ground search and rescue, WA innovator Xplorate says its unmanned aircraft are game changers for the energy industry and beyond.
What we do is we bridge the gap between traditional aviation and modern day data gathering and analytics. And we use machine learning and AI algorithms to do so. It's futuristic elsewhere, it's not futuristic here. We're doing it in Australia today. So the future for us is now. We have commercial operations ongoing right this minute.
Xplorate says one of its aircraft's most effective uses is in detecting fugitive emissions, gases which leak into the atmosphere and cause pollution.
Right now they're controlled from a mobile command centre, which is about 40 to 50 kilometres radius away from the aircraft at any one time. We have a pathway where they will in future be controlled from a permanent facility here in Perth. We carry some very technological sensors under the aircraft, and what we do is we map the ground using a combination of different sensors. After we've mapped the ground, we can then visually pull the ground apart and then tear it down into different levels. From there we can actually predict maintenance. On top of that, we can map emissions. So we can visualize and quantify emissions. Where we get to in the end is we track all fugitive emissions, we help our customers close off those emissions, and we also increase productivity. Our estimates are 1 to 3% on any one pipeline.
The company is also hoping to expand into critical deliveries in remote areas. It's already been granted a first of its kind in Australia, special approval for 330 kilometre beyond line of sight pipeline inspections in Queensland.
Currently, night mapping of fires is very high risk and it's not done in every situation. We can do that. We can send our aircraft up at night to map fires. The aircraft in itself can spot hotspots that the human eye can't see, so therefore it can predict where the next spots of fire will start. It's revolutionary. This has not been done before. This will save lives and it will save properties. There is no doubt about it. And now it's a matter of just getting it in and getting in front of the emergency services and utilising these assets for what they're there for.
Wanting to become a regional market leader in unmanned aerial solutions, Xplorate now hopes to partner with the state government in teaching people in remote communities how to use the devices.
Most of our work is in regional or remote communities. We don't want a fly-in, fly-out workforce of operating our aircraft. Although the plan is to remotely operate them from here, we still need technical crew on the ground, engineers, technicians, operations crew. We want those people to come from the local communities.
Xplorate is already exporting its technology to Indonesia and the Middle East, and it's raising funds to manufacture a new aircraft type in Switzerland.